Ito na ba agad? Ba't yan? Ako, kailangan ko ng maraming herbs nito. May inaalagaan na ako. Inaalagaan talaga. Dito na si Asle. Oh my God. Wait lang ha.
Leon, shoot those barrels on that wagon.
Dito ka. Ako, Ashley, tumabi ka dyan. Tamaan ka ng kutsilyo. Ano yun? Bakit may ganun? Okay. Where are we supposed to go now? Tama ba itong pinupuntahan namin?
Welcome. Got some rare things on sale, stranger.
Ay,
What are
ano
you
yan?
buying?
Red 9. Ay, wow! What is this? A handgun! Teka lang.
Come back, Eddie.
Nako. Teka. Hindi na kasya yung red 9. Pero gusto ko ng bagong baril.
What are you buying?
Should I just tune up my stuff instead?
What are you buying?
Hindi, sige. Bibilin natin yan. There! And then,
Thank you.
stock sana.
What are you buying?
1.4. Oh, mas... Okay, nice. Well, it's correct
Is that
that we
all,
bought this.
stranger? Thank you.
Ayan muna. Okay, babay muna. Ay, 8 lang yung max bullets niya. Mabagal ata to. But we'll see about that. Oh my God, hindi na kasya. Oh, I have to let... Ayan. Teka. Mamulot muna tayo before tayo mag-proceed. I don't know why, pero nakakaloka. Kinikilabutan ako for some reason. Siguro kasi nakakatakot talaga tong before.
Un foraster!
maliit pa ako, pinapanood ko to. Where are those villagers? Ay! No. Grabe, tumatalsik sila. Ay, patay na. Oh my god. Ala! Yan. Okay, babalikan ko yung stock ng Red 9 na yan. Oh my goodness! We have to find another way to escape. But where? Wish where? Ay! Hold on. There should be a path here somewhere. Was this part here? Huh? Nasaan yun? Ay, gaga. Talon, Ashley.
Wait, on fire!
Ashley, talon!
Where are you going, Leon? Where are you going, Leon?
Talon, te! Bakit walang pindutan? Oh my god! Nasaan na siya? Yung line niya. Ah! Kagi. Oh my god! Nasaan na? Ah! It's still alive! The fuck? Dayuan niyo yan! Ay, puta! Namatay siya! Buisit na yan. Ang hirap pala kapag nandito na siya. Kainis. Huwag na nga tayo aakyat doon. Oh my god! Teka lang naman, Ashley. Ayan na, may galamay. Ay, putik. Inabot ako. Ah! Wait lang. Tara, takbo, te. Uy, John, welcome back. Teka lang. naubos na yun. Naubos na sila. May Discord? Wala po. Why? Ayun, wala akong Discord. Na-try mo na ba tong larong to? Ay, gaga. Sige, dito ka lang. I should have made her wait. Earlier.
Follow me.
Wala pang first person. Ay, gaga. Botik na yan. Sorry naman. Hindi ko napansin yung trap doon. Teka. Tangina, wala tayong gamot. Paano yan, Inday? Iwan na lang kita dyan. Namatay ka na. Putang ina. Wala na. Buti nakatayo ka pa, ma'am. Oo nga eh. Mukhang kalawangin eh. Teka, kaya namin yan. We will survive. We have to. Ay, pwede ata siya magtago dito.
Hi.
Okay, dyan ka muna. Real, ayan nga eh. Buti pinaalala mo. Ay, putik. Wala lang, ano lang yun, objective. Habang inaabangan yung mga kalaban na yun. Ba't mo sinasayang mo yung bala ko? Ayan. At si Madam. Ba yan? Oo nga eh. Yun yung madali eh. Ano ba yan? Ba't di ko matamaan? Kainis ha? Kanina pa yan ha? Uy, meron ulit. Ang putik. Leon, anong ginagawa mo? Taktika. Ano kung may aso din dito eh? Ay, walang ano. Walang laman. Okay, maglilibot-libot muna tayo. Maghahanap tayo ng ano dito, ng healing. Healing galing. Para naman yung mamaya, ma-one shot ka mamaya eh. Balita dyan, di ba nati-Genshin ka? Sierra and third party. Ito, herb na to. Hindi pa rin. Halika, mag-save muna tayo. Number 1. Ay, oo, kanina pa ata siya nandito eh. Siya ata yung one viewer na yan eh. O, kanina pa ako nag-i-stream eh. Ay, dito ako galing. Oo, ewan ko ba dyan? Notifications ko. Ay! Wait. Dito ka lang, madam. Baka nasa likod natin ah. Dilim, wala akong makita. Nandiyan na pala. Sira ka. Huwag kang tutubuan. Oh my God! Ano na nga? Okay, ayan. We're safe. Buti pa tong mga zombie na to. Well, hindi sila actually, zombie. Pero parang ganun na nga. Buti pa sila may pera no? Ako wala. Pwede ba yung Gcash dito? Ay! Ayun! Sa wakas! Magagamit na natin si... Ay! Anong ginawa ko? Nice! Hindi ka na iika-ika. Teka, may tao. Nasaan? Nasa taas ata. Andiyan ka pala. Ang OA mo. Ayan, may healing galing ulit. Okay, nice. Kailangan natin yan. Parang gusto ko mag-Genshin maya-maya. After nito. Gusto ka ba ng Genshin? Hindi, bakit? Gusto ko lang. Ay! Kadiri. Anong kadiri? Anong kadiri yung mga kalaban? Medyo may ano talaga dito, merong gore. Teka, bakit ko ba inuuna yun? Tara, Ashley. Bilisan mo, andyan na! Yung nahulog? Yung ano? Yung babae? Oh my God! Okay. Marap ka pa. Okay. Oh my God, dito ata yung daan palabas. Teka, let's shoot this. 5 na lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari kapag na-shoot down namin lahat ng medallion. Pero, it has to do something with the shop. Lock pala yung door. Bilisan mo, Ashley.
I opened it, Leon.
Nice! Good job. Oh, yan ulit yung merchant. Let's go.
Welcome. Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger.
Let's see. I see you've shot enough number of medallions. Go claim your specialized gun in the buy screen. Don't worry about mannequins.
What are you buying?
Ay! May bago tayo. Kaso hindi naman kasya. Ano ba yan? Oh my God. Kailangan ko na ng bagong ng bigger case.
Is that all?
Taktik ito pa. Paano yan? Gusto ko yung stock. Pero gusto ko rin yung... Sige na nga, yan na nga muna.
Thank you.
Mamaya ko na nga i-claim to kapag may mas malaki na.
What are you buying? What are you selling?
Ang creepy nung merchant eh. No?
I'll buy it in a hot. Thank you.
Nakatakot pero
Is
safe
that
naman
all?
siya.
Thank you.
I'm just not sure if it's
Is that
safe
all,
to be with
stranger?
him for a prolonged
Thank
amount
you.
of time. So, yeah.
What
That's
are you
that.
buying?
Uy, ang dami natin pera. Ang mahal ata ng isa kong binenta. Hindi ko na hindi ko na napansin yan ah. Ay, parang submachine gun ata siya. Or, last hold two enemies. A piercing. Ah, handgun siya. Kaso mahina. Ito na lang i-upgrade ko.
Is that all? Is that all?
Let's go.
Thank you. Come back anytime.
Okay, and then mag-iipon tayo for bigger case. Hello?
Leon, I have some bad news.
Ano nangyari si Chopper?
Well, I'm afraid I have to tell you anyway. We've lost contact with the chopper. Someone must have shot it down, though we
Sabi
can't
na eh.
determine who.
Great.
We're prepping another chopper for you. Meanwhile, I want you
Wag
to
na
head
kaya.
towards the extraction point.
Got it.
Parang naghahatid lang kayo ng alay din. naghahatid ng patay dyan sa sa isla na yan. Saan ba to? Sa Spain. Yun sana yung re-rescue sa kanila eh. Yung chopper na yun. Napakagaling. Ubus na money. Oo nga eh. Nag-iipon na ako for para sa case. Oh my... Hello, ang dami.
What are we gonna do, Leon?
Hate to say it, but we're sandwiched, all right. Quick, in that cabin!
Wala na tayong choice. Hinday, pasok.
Leon!
Uy,
Small world,
it's you
eh?
again.
Well, I see that the president's equipped his daughter with ballistics, too.
How rude! And I don't believe there's any relevance with my figure and my standing. Who are you?
Oh, excuse me, Your Highness. Perhaps the young lady might want to
Yung
introduce
avatar ko.
herself first
Hindi ako
before
nag-set ng
asking
avatar
someone
eh.
his name.
Her name's Ashley Graham, the president's daughter.
Is she... Well, you know.
Don't worry, she's cool.
Never mind. There's supposed to be some kind of obvious symptom before you turn into one of them anyway.
Look,
Ashley, upstairs!
Okay, it's game time.
Hindi talaga ako nag-set ng avatar ngayon. Wala na. Meron akong work in progress na dinadraw na avatar. Wait. Yan. Teka, asan yung... Ito pa pala. Totoo eh. Nagulat ako! Akala ko kalaban! Nagulat ka. Ay, hindi pa. Ay, sobra. Ay, puti! Thank you. Ah! Nandyan na! Yan na nga. Asan na ba yung ano? Ba't ako nag-reload? Oh my God, nalulog pala. Wait lang, maybe I should focus on the... There's nothing in the window. Hold on. Ah! Bitawan niyo yan!
You okay?
Fuck! It's empty!
Are you okay?
No. still walking even when dead. Let me pick him up first. Okay, hold on before I go upstairs. Oh my god! No! Nag-reload ang hayop! Hindi ko kinaya. Ay, grabe. Ubus na. Oo nga eh. Hindi ko napansin. Ay, ayan ulit.
Welcome.
Do I have to buy everything again?
Got a selection of good. What are you buying?
Okay. Good thing I haven't gotten the
What are you buying?
thing. Yung Punisher.
What are you selling?
Kasi hindi talaga siya kasha. And mahina siya.
I'll buy it in a hot.
Ayan na.
Thank you.
Have fun with that.
Is that all? Thank you. Is that all, stranger? What are
Ay,
you
wait.
selling?
Asan yung spinels? I've been picking up a lot of spinel. Ay, nabenta ko na pala.
What are you buying?
Teka, ito pala yung
Is
upgrade
that
ko.
all, stranger?
Yeah.
Thank you. Come back anytime.
Then, tara, let's skip all the cutscenes. We've seen them all. Okay, ayan na. Tapos yelo. Sarado po kami. Kukulit nyo. Asan yung kasama ko? Okay. Yan. Triple color.
Use this.
Uy, thank you. Ay. Akyat? Hindi pa kami aakyat.
Use this.
Nice. Okay, I'll get out of here. Kapag nabuksan na yung mga but as much as possible, dito lang muna kami. And mukhang hindi sila naubos. Hmm. Uy! Naulo ko. Mabilis mo. Bakit hindi ko kita? Ang dilim. You know what? Let's use this. Oh my god. Kapag sinabi niya ng akyat,
Use this. Leo, upstairs.
ayan. Teka lang. We're gonna have to reload. Wait! Oh shit! Tinamaan ako. Wait. Oh shit!
Are you
No, it's not okay.
okay?
Hala! Hala! Ba't dito? Oh my goodness! No?
What's this?
Dalawa sila may galamay. Isa-isa lang po. Oh shit!
Are you okay?
Teka, sayang yung pera dun. Kaya na nga yan. Baba. Nasaan si Ashley? Ay, baka nagtago. Tago sa camera. Nandito natin. Oh shit.
Are you okay? Vamos.
Ay, puta. Nagsawa din sila.
Looks like they're backing off.
So, what do we do now?
The bridge I crossed to get here is out. So I guess we have no choice but to keep moving.
I forgot something. You guys go on ahead.
Lewis,
Saan siya pupunta? Ganito klaseng lugar.